Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Nick Vinn here at Jack Kane Ford in Versailles, Kentucky. Now what we have here is the 2013 Ford F-150 Crew Cab, two-wheel drive, and it is the cleanest 2013 truck with 152,000 miles I have ever seen. It's got backup camera, rear park sensors, it has the camper top on it, and the interior is just impeccable here. It looks like brand new, straight from the factory. Keyless door entry pad, don't gotta worry about ever locking your keys in the vehicle. Power seating, power locks, power windows. You already have the all-weather WeatherTech floor mats in here as well. You have Bluetooth where you can make voice-activated commands from the steering wheel. You have a center console here that turns into a third seat up front if need be. You have a backup camera there in your mirror. Trailer brake box, sync connect in here, standard AM FM radio, 12-volt battery input there, cruise control of course. This thing is so sharp, and not to mention it's equipped with the 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine. If you have any more questions or need any information on it, feel free to call in at 859-873-6666. And this is Nick Vinn here at Jack Kane Ford in Versailles, Kentucky. Feel free to give me a shout. Have a nice day.